Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
With decentralized finance, DeFi, turning into all the rage, calculation and science-upheld digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain foundation world. While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. Right now administering the Atom cryptographic money trades, Cosmos Network is flooding ahead with tender mint core and its exceptional Byzantine fault tolerance having proclaimed its speculation worth $15 million. Universe digital currency can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos Network helps the development of Atom token. Universe digital money, all the more prominently known by its local symbolic Atom, has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market, performing wonders. Before we start with real Cosmos cost expectation, how about we actually look at nitty-gritty outline of the coin? Universe, ATOM, the mystery decoded. Universe is depicted as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights shrewd agreement usefulness as well as offers a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any brokers included. Universe environment likewise contains Cosmos Hub. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that assist with getting the Cosmos blockchain. Universe Network utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine fault-tolerant agreement model to approve exchanges. Universe is a token on the Cosmos Hub. Molecule tokens are utilized for security purposes. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this digital currency, the whole peculiarity and major focal point of Cosmos, ATOM, is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint as well as involving Cosmos for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, to give some examples which can be based on the stage. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and apps, decentralized applications, and constant turns of events and overhauls. Unpredictability is the sign of any digital currencies, as is valid for Cosmos also. In December 2019, Cosmo began its progressive however consistent exhibition. Despite the fact that it saw a fall and bull run in March 2020 to a low of $1.60, it had followed the recuperation way. The pandemic appears to have made way for Cosmos with its exceptional presentation. Universe has beaten a record gain according to crypto gauges by accomplishing the cost of Cosmos to $6.50, finishing strong for exchanging. The help level is $29.936 and obstruction level is $33.325. Universe forecast, market sentiment. The more, the merrier, thus the more the specialists, the more the conclusions for Cosmos, ATOM, cost expectations, news. Based on our cost expectations and Cosmos cost examination, a drawn-out increment is normal at Cosmos, ATOM, value. The guess for 2026 is $173.331 in view of the ongoing developments. With a 5-year venture, the cost activity income is supposed to be around plus 380.81% in the Cosmos digital currency market. As per our Cosmos estimate and specialized examination, the Atom could exchange around $44.95 toward the finish of 2022 and $73.68 by 2025. In light of the ongoing cost and our Atom cost expectation information, the Cosmos, ATOM, cost has been on an upturn for the beyond 1 year. Our cost forecasts bring a few factors into records, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins. Future Atom cost is anticipated at $73.555041 following a year as per our cost estimate. The Cosmos, ATOM, cost is anticipated to reach $30.123 by the beginning of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $37.654, least cost $25.605. In light of our Atom value forecast and cost examination, the future cost of the Cosmos coin could cross $38 before the current year's over temporarily. As per news and our atom cost expectation, a great deal of atom projections are in the pipeline anticipating discharge. Right from the start idea search stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a ton of new ventures would have been finished. Subsequently, generally around bullish value expectations of crossing an unequaled high of cryptographic money cost $31.47, setting out additional open doors to exchange, purchase universe, making it a beneficial speculation. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin has reflected huge energy. Toward the finish of January 2021, the Atom coin denoted a sharp spike to $25, yet from that point forward, it plunged to $17. Then, at that point, from last month, Cosmos again denoted an enormous meeting and enlisted another unsurpassed high of $32.14. Nonetheless, as of late, it confronted a sharp downfall. Universe cost today waits around $30.26 with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a circling supply of 286,370,297 atom. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Cosmos, ATOM, is $607,883,319.19. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is $31.06. Universe Price Prediction 2022. As per Atom expectation, with numerous organizations and coordinated efforts in local area financing, the digital currency market glances back at Atom to perform, arriving at a value level of $63, which is very hopeful yet doubtlessly plausible toward 2022 in the transient send. Universe Price Prediction 2023. With any progressions in government arrangements and guidelines, the atom cost might have its portion of cloudy days. On the off chance that atom cost holds the help at the 100 SMA immovably, purchasers will then have more than adequate opportunity to sell Cosmos for acquiring benefit and steadiness. In the principle, around 50% of the cost may be $60. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of atom may be around $75. Universe Price Prediction 2024. Dashing up to peak won't be thus so challenging for Cosmos cost, as extra short, medium, and long-haul value targets can be found to trade atom. Beginning with at least $63 and the drawn out it might cross $90. Universe Price Prediction 2025. IOTA USD however plunged, yet in light of expectations and obstruction level. One of the most bullish on-chain measurements for Atom is the huge expansion in the quantity of Atom coins stored into the agreement. In the principle, around 50% of the cost may